Welcome to Miller Place in Suffolk County, New York. Here's a move-in ready home, refined with care. Tucked away on a quiet street, 30 Ferndale Avenue is what buyers spend years searching for. A true diamond condition home on a generous third of an acre lot, where every detail has been carefully maintained and every corner is ready to live in from day one. This is not a home you renovate. This is a home you simply move into and start living. From the moment you arrive, the setting does the talking. Mature trees, manicured grounds, and a peaceful park-like atmosphere that feels a world away from the noise. Yet you are right in the heart of one of Long Island's most desirable communities. Step inside, and the home opens up beautifully. Hardwood floors run throughout, the layout flows naturally from room to room, and the light is warm and generous. 3 well-proportioned bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and approximately 1,800 square feet of thoughtfully maintained living space. This is a home that has been genuinely loved. The custom kitchen is a standout. Granite countertops, quality finishes, and a space that works as hard as it looks good. Whether you are cooking for the family or entertaining guests, it delivers. Downstairs, the full finished basement adds an entirely new dimension to the home. Use it as a recreation room, a home office, a gym, a media room, a guest suite. The space is there, and it is ready. But perhaps the finest chapter of this home is saved for outside. Step through to the backyard and you will find the kind of private retreat that Long Island buyers dream about. An in-ground saltwater pool, a covered porch, mature landscaping, and a third of an acre lot that gives you genuine breathing room. This is where summers are made. The 2-car garage, the Miller Place School District, and a location firmly on Suffolk County's North Shore. This home checks every box without asking you to compromise on a single one. Available now. Contact us for details. Open house May 30th and 31st and Sunday the 31st of May. Both days from 12 noon until 2 in the afternoon. Come and see it for yourself. The link to the full listing is waiting for you in the description below. 30 Ferndale Avenue, Miller Place, diamond condition, park-like setting, and a backyard that will make you never want to leave.